Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I got some Harbor Freight tool deals that's going to be good till the end of this weekend. So these are going to be the top super coupons that's going on right now. So let's go ahead and jump into them. First category is air tools and compressors. This Central pneumatic gravity fed air spray gun is always a nice pickup for you guys that are doing paint jobs, projects, something like that. $9.99, so $10 for that. This is a great budget paint gun for you guys just doing projects on the side. I've said this in many videos. I painted my whole car with this base coat and clear coat with a couple of these guns, and it came out pretty good. Next up over here, we got the Earthquake half-inch super compact twin hammer, 1,000 foot-pounds, only $80 for that. And then we got the Pierce 15 gauge hardwood finish nailer coming in at $85. Got some automotive up next. So here's a pretty good deal if you guys are looking for a really good inflator. So this is the Maddox. This is a 12 volt, 125 PSI performance inflator. So this is going to last you a long time. So this one's coming in at $140, but they are throwing in a little freebie here. With that, you'll get the heavy duty automotive tire repair kit. So $21.99 value. Not sure how many of you guys out there still repair your own tires, but if you do, this might be a good pickup. Got the liquid transfer pump, some rust protectant, and then all the way to the right here, Daytona 3-ton heavy-duty jack stands, $30. Can't beat it. Available in 6 different colors. Here we got the Daytona 1,300-pound capacity self-loading wheel dolly. These are super nice, but man, they are expensive. $100 a piece. So you need 4 of them, so you'll be spending over $400 for the set. But these are a really premium wheel dolly. I'd like to see those drop a little bit more, but these are still fairly new, so we'll have to wait a while on that. Got the code reader here for $100, and then we got the 3-ton jack by Pittsburgh, $110 for that one. Another good pickup. If you guys are looking for a battery charger or maintainer, here's the Viking, $30 for this one. This is nice to pick up if you got some ATVs that you're storing maybe over the winter. You got an old car that you only drive once in a while. You can throw this on there. It's going to maintain your battery so your battery doesn't go bad. Keep it topped off. Definitely good insurance. $30 for that, not a bad deal. A lot cheaper than buying a brand new battery. And then all the way to the right here, we got the Hallmaster loading ramp. So you guys with those ATVs, you want to load them into the back of your pickup truck. Not a bad deal here for $65. Got the synthetic winch rope at $100. The trailer cart, $120. And then for you guys that have a motorcycle, 600-pound capacity motorcycle carrier coming in at $200. Next up, generators and plumbing. So we got the solar panel kit by Thunderbolt. $155 for this one. Got the Predator engine, 224cc for $160. Got a couple pumps here for $160. Got the Clearwater pump for $200, the 79cc Predator. And then we got the big boy, the Predator 212cc semi-trash water pump for $250. All the way to the right here, they got the Predator 5,000 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter coming in at $950. This is a nice middle of the ground generator, but I've heard mixed reviews on this, so I'm going to wait a while, do a little bit more research before I consider buying that one. Got some hand tools. Got the wood chisel set by Pittsburgh for $6. Got 2 Pittsburgh breaker bars. And then we got the tool set. This is the 130 piece, always advertised, $30. Not too bad. And then we got the 105 piece tool set here, coming in at $44.99. Some lighting and specialty. We've got some batteries. Here's the Braun 290 lumen rechargeable neck light for $15. These are actually pretty nice. I got a couple of these around my garage. 1,000 lumen solar powered. $24.99 for that. Waterproof. It's a security light. They got the 7,000 lumen Braun light, and then they got the electronic floor safe for $109. Probably stay away from that. Material handling and safety. Got some electrical tape for $5, 10-pack. Never used this electrical tape, so not really sure the quality. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys used it before and what you guys think of it. Got the anti-fatigue mat for $9. And then here we got the folding sawhorses, 350-pound capacity, $10. I actually had these for a good 3 years and used them for multiple projects. Worked pretty well. So definitely a good pickup here if you guys aren't looking for a heavy duty sawhorse. Get into some outdoor equipment. We got the all-purpose weather-resistant tarp coming in at $25. The Portland 3-in-1 electric blower, vacuum mulcher. This is a plug-in 12 amp, $40 for that. And then we have another tarp here. This is the weather-resistant mesh, all-purpose, 12 by 20 for $50. You guys looking for a charger for your Atlas batteries? $60 here for the rapid battery charger. They got the mesh deck steel wagon for $75. Here's another item that I've heard some mixed reviews on. Portland electric pressure washer at $80. Heard that the pressure washer itself is pretty good, but the wand and hose kind of sucks. So that's another item I'm not too sure about. And then they got the Predator earth auger coming in at $180. Guys looking for a smaller cultivator? Here is the 2-stroke Predator for $190. And then we jump into some power tools. They got the step bits. These work really well if you guys are looking for a budget step drill bit set. Only $9 for that. Use these a lot. Got the Warrior drill for $10. This is another item that I used to polish my car. Not a bad pickup for $30. Recip for $40. We got the Bauer impact wrench. Heard a lot of good things about this for $60. Sliding compound miter saw for $200. See what else we got here. We got the Bauer 15 amp angle grinder, $83 for that. The Bauer deep cut bandsaw for $110. And then here is the Hercules breaker hammer with maximum vibration control coming in at $400. Got shop and garage. Here's a nice pickup here. These detail brushes only $2. Drop cloth for $13. Here's another Bauer item, 6-gallon wet and dry vacuum for $45. And then here's the 20-inch floor fan by Central Machinery for $50. You got the Hallmaster chain hoist for $55, and then the gear-driven engine stand by Daytona for $250. Jump into some storage. Got the Yukon tool organizer for $11, not a bad deal. Socket rail to organize your sockets by US General for $17. Got the Bauer storage tote for $20, and then the Bauer bag for $28. Storage bin, $100, and then the 20-inch end locker by US General for $310. Next up, welding and machinery. Got the Vulcan welding wire, 11-pound roll for $33. Got the vise for $80. Belt sander for $160. And then the 12-inch disc sander by Bauer for $170. Here's a nice sander by Central Machinery. This is the belt and disc sander with the stand. $260 for that one. And then they got some limited time coupons on a couple Bauer tools here. They got the circular saw, 14 amp for $40. And then they got the Bauer polisher here coming in at $60. So for Bauer, they're still doing the buy one, get one, and you can choose from 11 of the tools. So a nice selection of tools. But if you buy the battery and charger starter kit for $90, you can select one of these tools. They've had this going on for a while. I'm pretty happy that they have. It's a pretty good deal. I mean, for under $100, you're getting a battery, 5 amp hour battery, a charger, and your choice of tools here. And they got a pretty good selection of tools. I actually want to try out this ratchet for $60. They got two versions of it. They got the 3/8 inch and the 1/2 inch. So kind of curious to see how well this works. They also got the 18 gauge brad nailer. If you guys are looking for an impact, recip saw, jigsaw, but a lot of different tools to choose from depending on what you need. Now, if you guys are more interested in Hercules, they're also still doing that buy one, get one for Hercules. They just don't have such a large selection of tools. They only got 9 tools to choose from on this one, but you're going to get a better tool when you go with Hercules. So for $100, you're going to get the 5 amp hour battery and the charger, and then you'll be able to pick one of these 9 free tools. Got the circular saw, the vacuum, recip, the grease gun's a good pickup, the angle grinder, this impact's another good pickup, and then the impact wrench and a router. So depending on what tool you want, you got a few to choose from. And I've heard nothing but good things about the Hercules tools. Still haven't purchased any myself, but since they've been running these buy one, get ones for the Hercules, it's definitely been tempting. All right, guys, so those are the deals going on at Harbor Freight. The super coupons are going to be good until June 23rd, so that's the end of this week. Let me know if you guys are going to pick up anything in the comment section below. Hopefully you found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you on the next one.